Param Shanti, Supreme Peace, Mass Divine Message for March 18, 2026. Beloved children, instruments of world transformation. Those who bring change to the world through self-transformation remain constantly connected in a combined form with Supreme Father, the lighthouse and powerhouse. Ma shares a deep experience. When remembering Supreme Father at the original highest abode, there comes a stage of such deep silence that there is no desire to speak, only to remain absorbed, connected, and filled with power. In that remembrance, every word spoken carries divine strength, and whoever listens also receives power and peace. So children, practice this. With effort, it becomes natural. Stay connected and your thoughts, words, and vision will become powerful, and others will feel the spiritual energy within you. Always remember your aim, Brahman to angel and angel to deity. The present time is the confluence age, the meeting point of two worlds, the physical world of the five elements and the eternal world of divine light. Stay in remembrance of the Supreme Light World and Supreme Father. This fills the soul with power and brings strength to your thoughts, words, and actions. To become an angel means while living in the body, remain in a light form, detached, elevated, and beyond body consciousness. Let your intellect stay above, not pulled down by the physical world. When you experience yourself as a being of light, you naturally radiate that light. Others will feel peace and power from your presence. True angelic stage means breaking attachment, not from the body, but from body consciousness. Living in this awareness makes life beautiful and free from the pull of Maya. So remain in supreme peace and stay connected. Param Shanti, Supreme Peace.